Now let's do this question. We are required to calculate the value of a without the use of a calculator. So what do? We can break this power into 5 to the power of 2004 and then times 5 to the power of 2 like that. Remember, we can break powers. This is like 2004 plus 2, which is 2006, isn't it? And then minus 5 to the power 2004 and then plus 24, right? All this over 5 to the power 2004 and then plus 1. This is equal to a, right? If you check these two terms here, we can factor out 5 to the power 2004. Let's factor it out. 5 to the power 2004, and then we remain with 5 squared minus 1, then plus 24 like this, and then over 5 to the power 2004 plus 1, okay, is equal to a, right? And then this is like 25 minus 1, which is 24. So you have 5 to the power 2004 and then 24 here plus 24 over 5 to the power 2004 plus 1 like that. Then we can factor out 24 here. Okay, if you check here, 24 is a common factor, we factor it out. So 24, and then we have 5 to the power 2004, then plus 1 over 5 to the power 2004 plus 1. Okay, and then this divided by this is 1, we remain with 24.